Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. So, in the last class, we studied about sea creatures and insects. So, let us revise both the topics today, and then we will solve the activity in our EVS activity book. So, these are some sea creatures which live deep inside the water. Any creature who lives in the water, they are called the water animals or the sea creatures. So these are some big fishes. The first one is the blue whale. Blue whale is the biggest creature on whole earth. Whole of the earth सबसे बड़ा creature मतलब blue whale. You know the blue whale is so big. You can't even imagine how big the blue whale is. Then the next here is the shark. You know shark, they are very, very dangerous fishes. But here the dolphin, they are very, very friendly fish. Some people can even talk to dolphins, and they are included in some plays also. So blue whale, shark and dolphin, they are big fishes. The next is octopus, which has 8 arms. And the next is jellyfish, and the tentacles of the jellyfish, they are very, very powerful. Even if you go near the jellyfish, it can give you a lot of sting or current, which is very harmful for your life. So whenever the jellyfish is very cute, but you have to stay away from the jellyfish. The next picture here is the crab. Then we have fishes. And then down we have the sea horse. Crab has sharp nails and it is very dangerous. You cannot go near a crab. Then there are different colorful fishes, different shapes of fishes you can see in the water. And fishes, they always live in a group. There are lots and lots of fishes together. Then here there is a seahorse. You know why the name seahorse? Because the face of a seahorse looks like a horse. It has a spout like face, and all the fishes will go left to right. But how does a seahorse swim? It will go up and down. It will swim like that, up and down, up and down. It can never go right and left. The next we have turtles and starfish. Starfish is the most cutest sea animal ever, and it cannot walk. It swims. It has small legs, hair like structure, and it has 5 arms. So it has small hair like structure which helps the starfish to move. And these are the water turtles. It lives only in the water. Tortoise alag hai, turtle alag hai. Tortoise can live inside the water and outside the water. But the turtles cannot come out. It can only come to lay the eggs. But it always lives in the water only. Turtle and starfish. The next we have seal, which is up. And down we have the walrus. Seal is also known as the sea lion, because the face of the seal looks like a lion. And the walrus has 2 sharp teeth which they come out. And these animals doesn't have legs. It can live inside the water and outside the water. You can always see seal and walrus on the banks of the sea water. So these are the different sea creatures. There are sea snakes, jellyfish, octopus. There's an oyster which gives us pearl moti. You can see here, this one. Then there are seahorses, crabs, lobsters. So all these are sea animals or the sea creatures or water animals. Now next topic is insects. You know who is an insect? Any creature who can fly and has 6 legs are insects. इंसेक्ट्स को 6 legs होते हैं and 2 antennas होते हैं. They are insects. So these are the different insects: moth, bee, butterflies, ants, ladybird or the ladybug, worms, caterpillar. So let's come with the butterfly. You know butterfly first, but they are in a form of eggs. Then these eggs hatch and caterpillar comes out of the butterfly. Then these caterpillar, it continuously eats for many days. पूरा time caterpillar खाते ही रहता है. And you know what does it eat? It eats the leaf wherever the eggs are laid on that plant or the tree. पूरे leaves ही खाते रहेगा वो पूरा time. Day time, night time, पूरा time caterpillar leaves खाते रहता है. And then after many days, this caterpillar turns into a pupa or the cocoon. Then this cocoon is resting for many days. It will rest for many days, and after many days, after many weeks, this pupa breaks open and a beautiful butterfly comes out of the cocoon or the pupa. And then again this butterfly will lay eggs. It will turn into a caterpillar. Caterpillar will turn into a cocoon. Cocoon will again turn into a butterfly. So this is a life cycle of a butterfly. Then there are these common insects which we can see around us or inside the house. The first one is ant. Ant, you can get a black ant or a red ant, but both of them are dangerous for you. Then we have the ladybird, which is red and black in color. Then down we have the grasshopper, which you can see in the garden. Then we have the most dirtiest insect, that is cockroach. Then next to the cockroach we have the housefly, which housefly you can see in the rainy season. You get a lot of houseflies everywhere, right? So these are some common insects which you can see in your house, and they can spread a lot of diseases. So it is very good that you keep your house neat and clean. So you keep these insects away from your house. The next is this ant. Ant lives in the ant hill, and there are many ants. They live together in the ant hill, and they are in a family. So they live in an ant hill. This is the honeybee. Honeybee is a very hard working insect. All the time it works so hard. It makes a beehive, और beehive के अंदर they make honey. Honey is very good for your health, but they work so hard to make a drop of honey. They go to the flower, they suck the nectar, they come to the beehive, and then they collect all the nectar which is collected from the flowers. Nectar मतलब flower का juice होता है. So they collect lot of juices from all the different flowers. They come to the beehive, वहाँ पे सब collect करते हैं, and they make this honey. And you know honeybee, they are very dangerous. आप अगर उनके beehive के पास जाते हो, and if you harm them, तो वो आके आपको काटेगा. And the beehive, bee जब भी काटेगा, it is very dangerous. So whenever you see a beehive, you have to be away from the beehive. And the next one is mosquito. You can see mosquitoes everywhere. Whenever in the evening you go out, there are lots of mosquitoes, yes or no? And because of the mosquitoes, even we close the windows early, because when mosquitoes bite, we have lot of rashes on the body, and because of the mosquito, there are many diseases which can spread like malaria, dengue. So it is good कि हम लोग जल्दी से window बंद कर ले, so that there are no mosquitoes inside our house. Okay. So these are some common insects which we studied. Now let us do the EVS activity book. So this is your activity on page number 3030. So you're going to write the date over here. So the date is 4th of November 2020, and the day is Wednesday. And the heading is put a tick mark This is the tick mark sign on the water animals. So whichever creature what is given to us down, जो भी पानी में रहता है उनको हमको टिक करना है. The first one is dolphin. Dolphin is a big fish, and the fish is this is a big fish. It lives in the water. So we are going to put a tick mark over here. Then we have the lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. And we don't think कि lion पानी में रहता होगा. Yes or no? मुझे तो लगता है lion तो den में रहता है. So this we will not put a tick mark over here. The next is octopus. Octopus has 8 arms and it lives in the water. So there's a tick mark for the octopus. Then we have the seal. Seal is also known as the sea lion. Yes, it lives in the water. Then we have the starfish, the most cutest sea animal. It also lives in the water. Then we have the ladybird. Ladybird is an insect. See, 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Teacher told you insects have 6 legs and 2 antennas. So this is an insect. It is not a water animal. Now here we can see this is a bird. It has wings to fly. It cannot live in the water. So this is not a water animal. So you are going to put a tick mark on dolphin, octopus, seal and the starfish. Down again you are going to write the date, 4th of November. Then you are going to turn the page and take out page number 3131. Again the same date over here. We are not going to write Wednesday because we have already written once. Now see, here it is. Put a cross mark on the insects which spread diseases. ओके जो भी इंसेक्ट्स की वजह से हमें डिजीजेस होते हैं, जिनकी वजह से हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, वो इंसेक्ट्स को आपको क्रॉस मार्क करना है. बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ बिग क्रॉस मार्क ऑन दोज इंसेक्ट्स. एंट आपको कुछ नहीं करेगी. ऊपर से ये ब्लैक एंट है. ब्लैक एंट आपको कुछ नहीं करती. तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू पुट अ क्रॉस मार्क हियर. नेक्स्ट इज द कॉकरोच. Cockroach is a very dirty. You are going to put a big cross, no, not big, a small cross mark on the box given below the cockroach. The next is honeybee. Honeybee से हमें कोई disease नहीं होता है. Honeybee helps us by making a honey for us. Then we have the housefly. Yes, houseflies are very dirty, and because of them we get lots and lots of diseases. So we are going to put a cross mark below the box where housefly is there. The next we have the butterfly. Butterfly is so pretty. It will never cause any disease, right? Then this is the mosquito, which causes malaria and dengue. So big cross mark, no, small cross mark for the mosquito. Down we have circle the insects we see in our house. अभी ये तो आपको खुद करना है. Okay, whichever insects you see in your house, you're going to put a circle around that insect. So if you have grasshopper तो उसको circle करो, honey bee है तो उसको circle करो, अगर आपके घर में cockroach है तो उसको circle करो, mosquito है तो mosquito को circle करो, ant and housefly, जो भी insect है आपको उसको circle करना. अभी मेरे घर में ये कोई insect नहीं है, so I am not going to circle any of them. But whatever insects you have, you can circle them. Okay, my dear children, this is your home assignment for today. So thank you, my dear children. You're going to stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Do your home assignment nicely.